Okay, we here today. Poppy Senior getting started on this bean patch here. Staking these things up. Driving these metal fence posts in right now, first thing. Kind of get a look at that. These beans are starting to vine out. They'll just run all over the ground if you don't do this. Takes this post driver and runs these right down in the ground here. Got him some grass string over here. Getting ready to, you can use 3x3. He's got 3x3 post here, but he ties them around. He's kind of standing in between the camera and this, but you can see it when he gets done. He's tying this post on the side of this metal fence post. The wooden piece here, like I said, 3x3, 4x4. Got the pocket knife out, cutting the string off. He ties these posts right around the metal post. Get a general idea of what he's doing here. Well, I'll show these beans right here. You can see though the vines is running out everywhere, and he's gonna fix it where they'll run up these right up. We'll show you here in a minute. Now he's setting this metal post or metal pipe right up on top of his wood post right there where it'll support the weight of it, and he's tying it around here with his grass string. Coming out here to the other end, doing the same thing. Sets it right on top of that post right there and ties it up. I'll show you once he gets moved there. We'll show you what it looks like, but he's good Lord willing, these beans will be hanging down off these things once he gets these, tied up here. Now he's taking these wood stakes here, or whatever you want to call them. Looks like they're about 8 foot tall, he says. He's tying them around with the grass string, setting them down to the ground and tying them in. That there's going to fall on him, but we'll do what we can show here. You can see once he's got it tied on there. I'll give you a better look once he gets them up there. I'd get over and get a better shot of it, but I can't walk out through here. Got this foot right here still wrapped up a little bit, but he's tying that right around the pipe as he stands them in there. Takes the grass string and ties it on the pipe. And them beans will wrap right around these stakes he's got standing up right here. Go right way up there in the air. You can walk out there picking these beans right off in your bucket by the handful, good Lord willing, if they grow like they normally do. Just get the general idea of what it looks like, when he gets it up there. Just run them right on out through here. I mean, he's got 4 rows right out through here, as you can see. Of course, he's starting on the upper one up there so he don't have to go across that, putting them up. But you just tie them right all the way out this pipe, and we'll get you a better shot here in a few days. These things are winding around these. Use these strings he took off of bales of hay where you feed the cows in the wintertime and reuse second purpose this stuff, And he saves these stakes from year to year. He gets them out of here, puts them in the dry. Normally when he gets them out and quick enough, and puts them out here in the shed, and you can reuse them a few years and kind of, like I said, you beans wind right around them, and we'll give you a good look at this section here as we go out through here, but kind of get the general idea of what we're doing here. You just continue to do that right on out that pipe, right out through there, and then just do another section, which is the next one will set right on there with that one, and go right on out, and just keep doing this same thing right on out, and we'll come back and get you a better look at it later on when they like I said, as the vines is wrapped around them, and get the general idea of it, and you get to see it with the beans on it and all that stuff here eventually. But thank you for watching Big Papa Customs. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Really like for people to learn how to do the bean deal here, though, if they want to do it themselves. Thank you.